Now we're going to check in with CBS News Miami, Steve Majiri. He's your reporter live in Coral Gables this afternoon. And I can only imagine what the excitement is like out there, Steve.
Oh, I figured I'd be back here again today, Erica. Like I told everyone yesterday, some of the gear here may be dated. Like this shirt here, now you're going to have to etch in champions to that. But that's not what fans are thinking about. They're thinking now about another championship to add to a banner like this. You might have to ask Grandma to get out her sewing kit and put the year 2026 in here. And now fans today are literally gearing up for a hometown showdown for the biggest prize in college football.
The celebrations carried over from 8th Street last night to the Hurricanes team store as Hurricanes fans stormed in to find their game day gear. UM freshman Kira Lawrence says she already has her game day stuff picked out. And she says playing for the title at home is the best way to cap off her first year.
This jersey and these leggings that are super cute. Well, I actually went to high school with a lot of the players, like Malachi Tony, like all of them, who are now playing for the Hurricanes. So it's super cool to have, gone with them.
She wasn't born the last time the Canes won it all. Her dad remembers and says it's felt like an eternity since then.
It's amazing, like we've been the underdog, the whole year, and to come out now and prove everybody wrong.
They're just a few of the flock of customers that have come to the team store ever since the Hurricanes made the playoffs. David Diggs of the team store says orders have come in from around the country and says the new championship gear was ordered as soon as the clock hit 0 last night.
On a typical day, we ship 30 to 40 items, packages. Now we're in the 100 or so, or more.
Diggs says the new gear should start arriving at the store this weekend, and he says there's already items available online.
You can see right there, that's just some of the orders that came in. And the real storyline behind all of this is that each win has been a piece of history for the University of Miami. The win in the first round against Texas A&M, that was the first ever CFB playoff win for the Canes. And then the next week against the Buckeyes, any hardcore Canes fans will know that was all about redemption. And then this win propels them into getting to play for a championship in their home stadium. I've got the storyline pretty much summed up, from the last team in to the last team standing. Erica?
Yeah, Steven, to think they almost weren't even in the college football playoffs. I mean, yeah, you got to give it to the Canes, right? Steve, thank you so much. And by the way, you can keep it right here for Canes coverage. You could join us for a special next Thursday at 7 p.m. right here on CBS Miami.